Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an install video of how to install Rough Country's LED light bar that fits in the bumper and deletes the factory fog lights. So what I got laid out here on the bench is, here's the light bar you get from them. It's a 20-inch light bar. It's the black edition. It comes here with a lens cover for those of you that live in states that aren't allowed to drive around with just the light bar exposed. You can always throw this lens cover on it. Also has some silencers here, and then you also get the brackets right here to install the light bar and using the factory brackets for the factory fog lights. All right, so Rough Country recommends that you remove the bumper when you install this light bar. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have two 13mm bolts right here, and you're also gonna have them over on the other side by your tow hooks. And then you're also gonna have this bracket right here on the inside, and there's gonna be a bolt right here. You should be able to get it just removing this bolt. There's also gonna be two more on the inside of the bumper. You shouldn't have to remove those. So yeah, I'm gonna set up a quick time lapse and show you guys how to remove this bumper. All right, so once you guys get the bumper removed, don't forget you're also gonna have to remove these. They're just attached to the back of the bracket of the factory fog light. There's two of them. Pretty easy, just wiggle it and start while you're pulling, and it should come out. Make sure this isn't caught in anything. I had it looped through here, so when I was trying to pull the bumper off, it got in the way, so you just gotta make sure that's out of the way. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do once you get your bumper off is you wanna take these two brackets off, and all they're gonna be is they're just gonna be 3 8mm on this one, 3 8mm on that one. All right, so once you get your lights out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bracket they supplied you, and you're gonna orientate them with this part of the bracket here facing out. Same with this one here. All right, and then they're gonna supply you with some new ones of these. I suggest if these ain't broken, don't replace it, because these look like it'll be a pain in the ass to get out. So they're not broken, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse those. So you're gonna put these brackets in. What I recommend is don't tighten up these bolts until you get the light bar in. But once you put these brackets in, you're gonna have to put the light bar in from the front side of the bumper. So you're just gonna tip it back, slide the light bar in, and then secure it in place with these Allen bolts. All right, so as for the wiring, so the light bar itself comes with this nice watertight female connector. You're gonna get a wiring harness. It's gonna come with your light bar if you decide to use this to wire up your light. What I did is I just cut the male connector piece, and then I just wired it in to my factory wiring for the light bar. I just used a couple butt connectors, connected the black to black, red to red, and test the light bar, and it works just fine. So go ahead and get this bumper thrown back on. As easy as that, there she is. Looks pretty good, I think. You guys let me know what you think. Oh yeah, she's definitely bright. Definitely a lot better than the freaking factory one. Alright, so I hope you guys liked that install video of the Rough Country LED light bar kit for the 05 to 07 Ford F-250 bumper. I think it turned out pretty well. It's a pretty simple install. You know, honestly, it'd probably only take you about an hour if you didn't mess around. But I think it looks pretty sick. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Yeah, so if you guys haven't, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.